Okay, today we are talking about a 1,000-watt portable power station. So this is a model number PYS PEI U01000. Bought it on Temu.com. Just a quick disclaimer, this is not a promotional video for Temu.com or this specific product. It weighs almost 32 pounds. Let's take a look inside the box. So again, this is a 1,000-watt portable power station. Temu.com shipped this to me with free shipping. As you can see from the previous slide, it was on sale at a deep discount. So these come in different wattages depending on how much power you need. This is a nice handy size. And I'm going to use it for when the power goes out here at my house. I'll be able to plug in our router to still have internet connectivity, power my computer. It also has USB charge ports, so you can charge your smartphone, laptop, iPad, etc. Comes with a owner's manual. And of course you have your power cords and a 12-volt cigarette style adapter, so you could plug this into your car and charge it up from your car, or you can plug it into a wall outlet and charge it up that way. And that's the power adapter for it to go from AC power to DC power to charge it up. So pretty simple. Plug that in here, plug that into the wall, plug that into the unit. Let's take it out of the box. So this is great for folks like myself where you don't want to spend a lot of money on a big, noisy, heavy, gas-powered generator. So you got 120-volt outlets here, ready for 1,000 watts. USB charge ports, where you charge the unit itself. You can hook it up to solar panels there as well to charge it. Some more 12-volt ports. Pretty self-explanatory. There's a power button where you turn it on. It tells you the level of the batteries. Has a little built-in LED flashlight on the side. Pretty bright. So that's handy. You could also use this if you're going camping or you're working in a remote location where you need to run some small power tools. Again, up to 1,000 watts. They make bigger ones, they make smaller ones. This one I thought was a nice size. Wouldn't be able to run my 1,500 watt microwave off of this, obviously, but if you have a smaller microwave that's less than 1,000 watts, you could technically run it off of this. Gives you an indication of how much power you're consuming when you have something plugged in, which is nice. So you got input and output ports again. So I think it's great that you can charge this at a wall outlet or in your car, your vehicle, or the solar panels. So now let's plug in a few appliances, try it out. We'll try this little desk fan first. Now let's try a high-powered work light. And again, the great thing about this unit is it tells you in real time on the screen how much power you're consuming. Try to get you a better view of the screen. So you can see how many watts right here it's consuming. Woo! Now I'm going to plug in a regular household vacuum. So this button right here is where you turn it on and off. Got to hold it for about 3 seconds. Always remember to turn it off when not in use to save the battery life. Pretty handy portable power station. And again, to charge it, simply plug this adapter in here and then plug the cord into a regular wall outlet. There's another look at the unit and a closer look at the screen. I hope this information helps you. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.